Notorious, all we do is win the game. That's glorious, everything we do big. Notorious, all we do is win the game. That's glorious, everything we do big. Everything big, yeah. Everything we do big, everything big, yeah. Everything we do big, yeah. Everything.
I'm chillin', I'm good. I'm kicking back and I'm riding. I'm chillin', I'm good.
Yes, this is good for my vlog.
No.
Yes.
Now I'm done.
Although it might get demonetized if you're talking about that.
Yeah, censor you. That's it.
Yeah,
That's it. You're gonna get censored. That's it. It's no more.
especially now with more all the stuff that's been going
That's
on.
all a part of what I'm talking about, and it all makes sense. Like when you learn the whole puzzle, the fact that they're censoring you, like that all plays into the conspiracy theory. Like it's all part of it. Like and they can't censor you. They can't. It's freedom of speech. You have that in America.
Yeah, it's freedom of speech
and freedom of press, which means you could type whatever you want to and like put it on Facebook.
But people don't understand that whole freedom of speech thing either. Miller Ale House, Mission Barbecue, Olive Garden, out back.
Jay-Z, all of them. But stop recording me. Conspiracy theory that the government did it, right? Is that a conspiracy theory or no?
Right, yeah.
All right, did you know that in 1999 that actually went to trial and it was proven that the government did it and it was people were arrested and everything, and that happened in 1999 and the Martin Luther King family won the court, and you can Google that, and like so they've known, it's been a fact since 1999 that the government killed Martin Luther King, and they've never made that public.
No, I think that was public.
I know, just that's my point. Like you don't hear stuff because they control the narrative. Like if it's something they don't want you to hear, you're not gonna hear it. They want you to hear it, then that's when you hear it. So they want you to hear it for whatever the reason is. There's always a reason they want you to hear something. That's stuff that's what we're talking about.
You have to look it up on YouTube.
YouTube it.
But whatever you do, don't watch the movie.
The Shazam. Don't watch what movie.
They made a movie of the Mandela Effect that just came out
I never seen it.
last year.
Don't
It's on
watch it.
Hulu, but don't watch it. Watched it. It's nothing like
really
basically.
Here's what I found on the web.
CERN. This is a real place. It's not a conspiracy theory. Home, CERN, the European Organization of Nuclear Research. It's one of the world's largest and most respected centers for scientific research. It is a business. They have a thing there called a hydrogen collider where they're trying to break down. This is how they say is responsible for the Mandela effect. And look at their logo. It's
I did see
their logo is 666. Did you see that? Their logo is 666.
I think I did see a video mention that.
Yeah, and like I got other videos where from them on YouTube. You can put in on CERN on YouTube. It says "We're Happy." It's a video that they posted, and they're saying "We're Happy." They're doing like a dance to that song with employees from CERN. And there's one guy. He's holding a sign in front of his face. He's going, "We're happy," doing like picky boo with it, and it says "Bond 1" on the sign. And underneath I know you recorded me. It has a sign that says Mandela, and this is from CERN. And
yeah, I did see some.
So
stuff,
then but the people Googled. Okay, so they're doing the research. Bond 1. What does that mean? The person who played Bond in the first James Bond movie's name was Barry Nelson, and then his thing said Mandela, so it was Nelson Mandela. The guy was saying in the CERN video with signs. Like, but why is he saying that? And people are saying that's what they think is responsible.
Toast to the boast for this. I know some niggas at the literally got ghosts for this. I was so far away, I was close to quit. Now I realize why I wasn't supposed to quit. Toast to the most for this. I know some niggas at the literally got ghosts for this. I was so far away, I was close to quit. Now I realize why I wasn't supposed to quit. Toast. 50-second Richard died trying. I think I'm about to fucking die trying. At least I ain't gon' fucking die lying. Need to get paid for everything, even freestyling. Baby, give me done with this. If I ain't have a car, then I was on my homelessness. My people think that they gon' vote. We don't smoke the slip.
You just stop moving your arms.
Don't blow the soda shit. Even if I did, I probably wouldn't told this shit. But I'm always on the go, on the road. That's your word. But it's hard to trust a lonely baby.
He is one of the biggest communists out there.
Listen, he might be. So after the whole Capitol thing, I used to think Trump was fighting it when I was talking to you before. But after the whole thing, I started the Capitol. When you learn how the news works, you listen.
He's always been on it.
But when you learn how things work, because I'm open-minded, I know how the world works. I was like, oh yeah, Trump. When I saw the whole Capitol thing, I'm like, okay, he's in. I was that close, quickly to write off Trump.
Now I've always considered myself open-minded too. But there's a thing where I draw the line.
I'm not, listen, I'm not supporting Trump. All I'm saying is the people behind Biden are Marxists. Like, the people behind Biden are not good people, and they are really ruining this country. And I know who they are. I'm going to send to Shauna up, and she will watch.
For this country, what he needs to do, that's what he needs to do. Don't be filming me. That's what he needs to do.
And also, so you believe 9/11 is inside job? Like, it's already all related. Like, we went out there and killed a bunch of people.
And the only reason I believe 9/11 was an inside job is because of the previous attacks on the Trade Towers.
Do you remember when Hillary Clinton was running for president and her emails got hacked?
Yeah, I remember all that.
So this guy Julian Assange was in prison for hacking her emails. They committed treason. So that was a big thing. Her emails got out. Her emails, but they never said what was in those emails. And that
right.
Young Nab, baby.
Notorious, all we do is win the game. That's glorious, everything we do big. Notorious, all we do is win the game. That's glorious, everything we do big. Everything big, yeah. Everything we do big, everything big, yeah. Everything we do big, yeah. Everything we do big, everything big. Bitch up on my shit, yeah. Pull up with the shit, yeah. I might flick my wrist, yeah. I might pull bad bitch, yeah. Take out all the tricks, what it? These hoes on my dick, what it? I gotta read my script, what it? I'm like Black Brad Pitt, what it? I done run around and I done found a leg. I came in with my niggas, I did not forget. Like we went bowling, everybody got they split, yeah. Everybody got they fits, yeah. Everybody got they kicks, yeah. Boss talk to me. I'm off when Cunningham was the QB. Try the underhand, got a gun in hand, bitch. I'm son of Sam, so sue me. Kill the track of that bitch dead. Round fishbowl with a fish head. Out the mud where we get the bread. Do it big for what they said. Everything we do big. Notorious, all we do is win the game. That's glorious, everything we do big. Notorious, all we do is win the game. That's glorious, everything we do big, everything big, yeah. Everything we do big, everything big, yeah. Everything we do big, yeah. Everything we do big.